Welcome back everyone to Car Show 1, the channel where we explore the most powerful supercars, future hyper machines, and the most exciting automotive innovations from around the world. If you love extreme speed, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking design, then today's video is going to blow your mind. Today we are going to take a deep and detailed look at the incredible 2027 Lamborghini Temerario, a next-generation hybrid supercar that replaces the legendary Huracán and pushes Lamborghini into the future. The Lamborghini Temerario marks a major turning point for Lamborghini. It officially replaces the Huracán and introduces a completely new hybrid performance system. This car represents Lamborghini's shift toward electrification while still maintaining the raw emotion and performance that the brand is famous for. It is one of the most advanced supercars Lamborghini has ever built. Starting with the exterior design, the 2027 Lamborghini Temerario carries the aggressive DNA of Lamborghini but with a more futuristic and aerodynamic approach. At the front, the car features sharp lines and large air intakes that improve cooling and airflow. The headlights are ultra-thin and use advanced LED technology, giving the car a very aggressive and modern look. The hood design is sculpted with deep lines that guide air over the car, improving high-speed stability. Lamborghini has focused heavily on aerodynamics in the Temerario, making it significantly more efficient than previous models. In fact, newer designs show major improvements in aerodynamic performance compared to older Lamborghini supercars. Moving to the side profile, the Temerario has a low and wide stance that makes it look extremely aggressive. The car sits very close to the ground, and large air intakes behind the doors help cool the engine and hybrid system. The sharp angles and bold lines give the car a futuristic appearance that stands out even among other supercars. At the rear, the design becomes even more dramatic. A large diffuser, aggressive vents, and a central exhaust system give the car a race-inspired look. LED taillights create a unique lighting signature, making the Temerario instantly recognizable at night. Now let's step inside the cabin, where luxury meets high-tech innovation. The interior of the 2027 Lamborghini Temerario is designed to be driver-focused while still offering modern comfort. High-quality materials such as leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara are used throughout the cabin. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster along with multiple screens, including a central infotainment display and even a passenger side screen. This allows both driver and passenger to interact with the car's systems. The cockpit is inspired by fighter jets, giving it a futuristic and performance-focused feel. Comfort has also been improved compared to older Lamborghini models. The Temerario offers more headroom and legroom, making it easier for taller drivers to sit comfortably inside the car. Technology inside the car includes advanced connectivity features, navigation systems, and performance tracking tools. Drivers can monitor real-time data such as power output, battery usage, and driving modes. Now let's talk about performance, which is the heart of the Lamborghini Temerario. This is where the car truly becomes extraordinary. The 2027 Temerario is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine combined with 3 electric motors, creating a powerful plug-in hybrid system. This hybrid system produces around 900 horsepower or more, making it one of the most powerful Lamborghini models ever. The engine itself is extremely advanced and can rev beyond 10,000 RPM, which is very rare for a turbocharged engine. Performance figures are absolutely incredible. The Temerario can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in around 2.7 seconds, putting it in the same category as some of the fastest hypercars in the world. Top speed is expected to exceed 340 km per hour, making it one of the fastest production cars available. The hybrid system also improves acceleration and responsiveness. Electric motors provide instant torque, which means the car reacts immediately when the driver presses the accelerator. This creates a smoother and more powerful driving experience compared to traditional engines. The Temerario uses an advanced all-wheel drive system powered by both the engine and electric motors. This system improves traction, stability, and cornering performance. The car also features an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that delivers lightning-fast gear changes. Handling is another strong point of this supercar. The lightweight chassis, combined with advanced suspension and aerodynamics, allows the car to stay stable even at very high speeds. Lamborghini has also introduced different driving modes that adjust the car's performance depending on the situation, including track and performance settings. Another important aspect of the Temerario is its hybrid technology. Unlike fully electric cars, Lamborghini has chosen to focus on plug-in hybrid systems. This allows the car to maintain the emotional sound and feel of a combustion engine while also improving efficiency and reducing emissions. The battery system in the Temerario is relatively small but powerful, designed to support performance rather than long electric-only driving. The electric motors help boost acceleration and improve handling rather than replacing the engine completely. In terms of practicality, the Lamborghini Temerario is still a supercar, so it is not designed for everyday family use. However, improvements in interior space and comfort make it more usable than older Lamborghini models. Drivers can enjoy both extreme performance and a more refined driving experience. Looking toward the future, the Temerario represents Lamborghini's new direction. It shows how the brand is combining traditional performance with modern hybrid technology. This car is not just a replacement for the Huracán, but a completely new chapter in Lamborghini's history. Overall, the 2027 Lamborghini Temerario is a masterpiece of engineering and design. With its futuristic styling, powerful hybrid engine, advanced technology, and incredible performance, it stands as one of the most exciting supercars of the modern era. If you enjoyed learning about the 2027 Lamborghini Temerario, make sure to like this video and share it with your friends who love supercars and high-performance vehicles. And don't forget to subscribe to Car Show 1 for more exciting car reviews, future vehicles, and automotive stories from around the world. Thanks for watching Car Show 1, and we will see you in the next video.